stop, will it?
Hey,
What's your name?
John.
Hey, John.
That's it. That's it. No, Ronnie from the Jay-Z show. You have to come over. Ronnie.
I came over from America.
Better looking than Ronnie.
Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah.
Say that again with a camera. Say that again.
Better looking than Ronnie.
You hear that, boys? Huh?